Determine the output waveform for the following inputs. Okay, we're supposed to find the output waveform for the exclusive OR gate when these two waves are going to go to the inputs. Okay, so like always, we are going to mark the changes for each waveform. Okay, right now I'm marking the changes for the A waveform. And now we have waveform B. Please notice that basically this transition from high to low occurred at the same time when I had transition from low to high. That's why this is already marked. And I have also transition from 0 to 1, which occurred at the same time when I had transition from 0 to 1 for my waveform A. Okay, so next I have first column, and this is my logic 1 and this is logic 1. When both inputs have 1s, output is 0 according to the truth table of the exclusive OR gate. When I have 0 and this is 1, 0, 1 is going to give me 1. Next column I have logic 1, logic 0. When I have 1, 0 or 0, 1, output is going to be 1. That's why I'm going to have 1 over here. I have 0, 0. When both inputs are zeros, output is 0 according to the truth table. So this is 0. And I have 1, 1. When both inputs are 1s, output is 0. And I have 0, 1. When both inputs have different logic levels, output is high. So what I'm supposed to do? I simply draw the wave. I have 0, I have 1, and again I have 1, I have 0, 0, and I have 1. Okay, this is my output waveform, and I can say this is the solution to my problem.